first thing I say is, life is so unfair. That's going to be the first line in a lock of the sound officer. So when I say life is so unfair, the way how I say it, it was almost like me I cry. And a voice said to me, say, it's a song this, you know. And I say, song, so what the next line if life is so unfair? Hear me now? I not even sell a creator beer. But me I say, but I cannot sing about the youth broke foot and go create a beer. It don't make no sense. The voice says, stop be stubborn. Use a youth to freestyle. Just freestyle and not worry about it. So I go, we not even sell a creator beer. By the time I look police coming on my land, so the sound have to turn off. I don't know where I'm going on. The whole thing find this up. You see, by the time I reach, no lock off the sound officer, I run out of the hospital. I say, I'm find it.
Here with yes or no?
One nurse say, you're getting off. You're going crazy. I say, you're true, you don't know what I'm find.